Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss another problem based on an important concept that we studied in this chapter, which is nomenclature. So what is given to us is a structure and we need to identify the correct IUPAC name of the structure given here. And we have 4 options which have different names, and now let's try to solve this particular problem. If you remember what are the rules to write the correct name, IUPAC name of a given structure, we remember that the first step is to identify the longest chain or parent hydrocarbon. The second step is to identify if there are any functional groups which will become the suffix of the given name. The third step is to identify the substituents and its relative positions which will become the prefix of our IUPAC name. So let's look at this particular structure here. We know that there are no functional groups attached in this, that means it's a simple hydrocarbon, and now we have to identify the longest chain or the parent hydrocarbon, and also we need to identify the substituents and its positions. Let us try to number this particular structure, and if we start numbering from this side, we can number it 1, 2, 3 and 4 such that these two will become the substituents. That is one way of numbering. Let us try another way of numbering. Let's try to number from this side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 2 ways of numbering, and we know that the parent chain is nothing but that chain which has the longest or maximum number of carbon atoms. So obviously our parent chain would be this particular chain where the numbering happens this way, where these 2 methyl groups will simply become the substituents. So based on this, you can easily figure out what will be the correct IUPAC name, that we start numbering this way such that the 2 methyl groups are at 3 and 4 position. So the correct name would be simply 3,4-dimethylhexane, as hexane is a parent chain, that there are 6 carbon atoms, and the 2 substituents, the 2 methyl groups, dimethyl groups are at 3rd and 4th positions. I hope you are very clear on how we have arrived at this particular name of the given structure. Thank you.